Hey paper crafters, thank you so much for joining me today. I love that you took the time to pop by my channel, check out the video that I've got going, and hopefully stay and poke around a little bit. I'm really excited to be able to offer some videos now and then and share my love of paper crafting. So I hope you find something that you enjoy and come back to see me another time. Bye-bye. Hey paper crafting friends, thanks for joining me today. I wanted to pop on and share the February 2021 Kiwi Club Kit. This one is called Beauty in Bloom and it is gorgeous. So I have already removed it from the box and from the packaging. So let me get these little protective corners off. Love these. That kit arrives every month with no bending on the corners. So hallelujah for that. So let's take a look first at the paper. Oh my gosh, that first sheet, you guys. Look at how gorgeous that is. And I'll just give you a quick preview of the back real quick in case you haven't seen this yet. So you've always got a display of all of the papers that you're gonna see and a little preview of the templates that are in the kit. And then some of the templates that they recommend and feature in the idea book, okay? And I'll show you that too. So this is by far my favorite piece of paper in this kit. Absolutely beautiful. The back side is kind of a coral just design. Then we've got this butterfly print. Again, really lovely, fun design. Just a green geometric on the back. This one has a little deeper tone to it. It's not super pink, definitely like a deep coral with a little red. Back side is a geometric design. Got another one of those kind of coral sheets with white blossoms. Back is a real soft pink, the real subtle lighter design. Got a pretty stripe, pinks and off-whites, a little lavender thrown in there. Kind of a dotted geometric. This is a soft, almost green and off-white color. Oh, this is fun. Another subtle design here. Love that. With a diagonal stripe. This is kind of a soft peach color. It's kind of a light blue-gray almost. So those are definitely background sheets. There's two of those. And then the flip side is a real soft, kind of a peachy pink with a geometric design. And then the other choice is kind of a soft pinky coral color. It's got a little gradation in it. It's pretty. And the back side is more of a yellow tone. So really excited to get in and create with this kit. Just gorgeous. Look at this. Wait a sec. See how pretty that is just together? Oh, I'm gonna have some fun. All right. Let me show you the cards. So I gotta pop these open real quick. I'm always just as interested in the backs as the fronts. I'm just gonna do a quick scan. Oh, there's a lot of different designs on these. So that's fun. All right. I love you with all my heart. So these are going to be awesome for Valentine's, anniversaries, engagements, weddings, just special events with special people. I love you. It's got a date and a note. Oh, here we go. See? Wedding. Our wedding day. Life is a beautiful thing. Treasure it. That could be for anything, right? Friends like you mean more every year. So fun. Spring has sprung. Cherished memories of family are held in the heart forever. Oh, look at this. with those blossoms. Write it on your heart. Sending springtime smiles. That's sweet. Butterfly kisses and flower petal wishes. Let's see. That one's just turned over. In the cherry blossoms shade, there is no such thing as a stranger. That's pretty too. 5 things I love about you. One fine day. Wherever you go, go with all your heart. The best love story is the one you write together. And love is like a butterfly. It goes where it pleases wherever it goes. So really fun sentiments. So I want to show you the templates, and then I just want to share with you something that I noticed in case you haven't spotted it yet. So let's take a quick look at these. I was excited to see another 12-inch border. And I did notice on the template itself, there is a note that it layers with Clara Lane 1A and 1B. So I'm going to take a second and grab that so I can show you. So here's Clara Lane also. So here's this is obviously the border that came in the month's kit. And then so 1A would work here, right? And then there's 1B. So really pretty to have that matching paper. But look at how cool this is. And I'm going to pull these off just so I can show you a little bit better. The details that are in the edge of this border match with some of these designs that are included. So do you see how these will layer together? So it's kind of hard to explain, but if you look at the different shapes, you can definitely like line this right up with that butterfly's wing. You can pick petals from the flowers and put those in. You can use the leaves that are included and layer those, and they'll go right up against the edge as well. So it's going to be a really fun kit to layer and design with. So I'm really excited to see how that goes. So just a fun little thing here. And I think it's something that you can do, but don't necessarily have to do. So when I saw these, I promptly went and grabbed the idea book. So don't forget, if you are a club member, or even if you're not actually, the Ideas to Inspire are available in the shop. Just go in the regular shop section, go under idea books, and then it'll be organized by year. So look under 2021 if you want this one. They always have several pages of ideas. Now, my color printer looks like it's probably having a little issue, but so these are not perfect, but I'm going to see if I can show you this a little bit close up. So you can see what they've done with this really beautiful border is gone ahead and layered some of those smaller pieces on it. So the heart, it looks like some different shapes from other template sets. So don't forget that this resource is there. Now here, they layered the Clara Lane with it, but they didn't do anything special to this design that's there on that new border, but it's just got that really pretty shape and it looks lovely too. So lots of fun ideas to pull things together. This one's got streamers. I recommend that you go look at those, download them, and use them. I just keep them on my computer and love accessing them for different projects. So I'm going to set that aside. I have to tell you, the very first thing that I noticed when I got this kit is it reminded me so much of this From the Heart kit. Not because the papers are exactly the same or anything else. It was really more of a palette notice. Like really seeing that color palette is similar. So I'm just going to do a quick kind of flip through here. Yeah, this isn't going to do it justice because you can't see all these papers quite as well shown this way. But I've made this card kit and I still have some scraps from it. And I think that those sentiment cards from this month's club kit are going to go really well with these scraps. So just a thought, kind of a fun way to extend this card kit and use your pieces that you might have left over from this club kit. So I'll do something about this later, later in the month, I'm sure, but I just wanted to get you thinking. So I hope that you enjoyed taking a look at this month's kit. Really exciting, fun paper, and I can't wait to create with it. Remember to watch for our collaboration later in the month. I know I have one new creator that's going to be joining the collaboration team, and I'm sure we'll get some great ideas out there for you. So thanks again for popping on, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.